Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this lecture number 16 of root locus, we are going to solve problem number 2 of GATE which came in 2003. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. So the question is, for g of s into h of s is equal to k divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 3, find the breakaway points. So here we have to find out the breakaway point for the open loop transfer function g of s into h of s given. So to find out the breakaway point, first we have to find out the characteristic equation which is given by 1 plus g of s into h of s is equal to 0. So we will put this equation here. We will get 1 plus k divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 3 is equal to 0. When we solve this, we will get final characteristic equation as s cube plus 5s square plus 6s plus k is equal to 0. Now we have to find out the equation of k from this characteristic equation. So k will be equal to minus of s cube minus of 5s square minus of 6s is equal to 0. So from this open loop transfer function, if we find out the open loop poles, we will get three poles. One is at s is equal to 0, second one is at s is equal to minus 2, and third one is at s is equal to minus 3. Now we will plot these poles on the s-plane. When we plot these poles on the s-plane, pole 0 plot will look like this. Now if we apply the rule number 3 in between the section of s is equal to 0 and s is equal to minus 2, then this section between s is equal to minus 2 and s is equal to 0 will lie on the root locus. But when we apply rule number 3 to the section between s is equal to minus 2 and s is equal to minus 3 pole, then the section between both these poles will not lie on the root locus. That means there will be a minimum breakaway point between the poles of s is equal to 0 and s is equal to minus 2 by rule number 3. Now to find out the breakaway points, we have to differentiate this equation of k with respect to s. That means we have to find out dk by ds, which is equal to minus of 3s square minus of 10s minus 6. Now we have to equate this equation of dk by ds is equal to 0. So we will get 3s square plus 10s plus 6 is equal to 0. Now to find out the breakaway point, we have to find out the roots of this equation. When we find out the roots of this equation, we will get two roots, that is s is equal to minus of 0.78 and s is equal to minus of 2.55. Okay. Now this point of minus of 2.55 will lie between s is equal to minus 2 and s is equal to minus 3, and by rule number 3 we have checked that this section, the point between s is equal to minus 2 and s is equal to minus 3 will not lie on the root locus. That means this breakaway point of minus 2.55 will not lie on the root locus. Now we have to check the validity of this breakaway point, that is at s is equal to minus of 0.78 by putting this value of s in the equation of k. So when we put this value of s in the equation of k, we will get k is equal to minus of 0.78 cube minus 5 into 0.78 square, then minus of 6 into minus of 0.78. When we solve this, we will get k is equal to plus 2.1125. So here we are seeing that the value of k is positive. That means s is equal to minus of 0.78 is a valid breakaway point which exists between this pole of s is equal to 0 and pole of s is equal to minus 2. That means somewhere here it will lie. Minus of 0.78 is our valid breakaway point, but one more breakaway point will lie between s is equal to minus 2 and s is equal to minus 3, that is minus of 2.55, which will not lie on the root locus. But in the options, if both the breakaway points are mentioned, so you have to take both the breakaway points because both are valid breakaway points. units, but this breakaway point of minus of 2.55 will not lie on the root locus. So hope you have understood the topic. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.